मॉडिफाइड उड़ान, इसमें 100 न्यू एयरपोर्ट्स को डेवलप किया जाए।
The Indian government has approved a massive 28,840 crore rupee plan to transform how smaller cities connect with the rest of the country. It's called Modified Udan Scheme. This revamped version will run for 10 years from 2026 to 2036. The goal is simple: make flying affordable and accessible beyond metro cities.
उड़ान 2.0 मॉडिफाइड उड़ान, इसमें 100 न्यू एयरपोर्ट्स को डेवलप किया जाएगा। 100 न्यू एयरपोर्ट्स को चैलेंज मोड में डेवलप किया जाएगा। राज्य सरकारों को ये चैलेंज दिया जाएगा कि आप लोग प्रायोरिटी डिसाइड करो कहाँ पे एयरपोर्ट बनाना है, और लैंड से रिलेटेड, परमिशन से रिलेटेड, फॉरेस्ट का अगर इश्यू आता है तो उससे रिलेटेड, कहीं पर भी कोई भी इश्यू आता है वो सब आप प्रायोरिटी बेसिस पे क्लियर करो, उस एयरपोर्ट को लिया जाएगा इस प्रोजेक्ट में।
Here's what the money will do. 100 airports will be developed from existing unserved airstrips. 200 modern helipads will be built in remote, hilly and island regions. Airlines will get 10,043 crore rupees in viability gap funding to keep routes operational. Another rupees 2,577 crores will support operations and maintenance for 441 aerodromes for 3 years. The original Udan scheme, launched in October 2016, showed promise but faced challenges. Many routes became unviable after subsidies ended. Airlines withdrew due to high costs and low passenger demand. Infrastructure gaps persisted in smaller towns. But the scheme also delivered results. Over 9 years, 663 routes were operationalized across 95 airports, heliports, and water aerodromes. More than 3.41 lakh flights carried 162.47 lakh passengers. Cities like Shimla, Hubli, and Agartala got regular air connectivity for the first time. The modified Udan addresses past weaknesses. Extended funding ensures sustainability. Focus on Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities boosts tourism, trade, and healthcare access, and it also aligns with India's Viksit Bharat 2047 vision of becoming a globally competitive aviation hub. For common citizens, this could mean cheaper travel, and for businesses in smaller cities, it means faster logistics. For remote regions, it means better emergency response.